Are you still asking the interviewees to fill in the job application form offline? Let me tell you how you can create an online job application form to get interviewees data online. Search for a JotForm. Click on this website. Make sure to sign up. Click on Create Form. You can choose any of these templates. So many templates are available for different purposes. Now design your form accordingly. Add as many fields as you need. Click on any field. Go to Properties. You can change the title alignment. Also, make sure to turn on the Required Field button for mandatory fields. You can change the settings of every field according to your requirements. You can add your company's logo from here. You can change the alignment of the logo as well. Increase the size of the logo accordingly. All these fields are auto-selected. You can also add more elements to your form. JotForm provides you so many elements that you can add in your form according to your requirements. I am adding the drop-down element here. Click to the Publish option once done. Now your form is ready to share. Now copy the link and share with the interviewees.